We've spent some time learning how to solve equations, and now we're going to learn how to solve inequalities. Now, luckily, the process by which we solve inequalities is very similar to solving equations. And in fact, we use a lot of the same properties. For example, this inequality right here, x minus 12 is greater than or equal to 8. Our goal is still the same in an inequality as it was in an equation, and that is to isolate the variable, which is x. So we're going to use the addition property here to add 12 to both sides of this inequality. And that's going to give us x is greater than or equal to 20. And this is still the addition property. It's not the addition property of equality because this is not an equation, but it's still an addition property. And so our solution here is x is greater than or equal to 20. The way that we check the solution, which is the other thing we're asked to do, is that we're going to substitute three values back into the original equation. We're going to pick a value that's bigger than 20. So we'll use like 25, for example. We're going to use the value 20, and then we're going to use a value that's lower than 20. So something like 17, for example. So since our solution was x is greater than or equal to 20, numbers that are bigger than 20 and numbers that are exactly 20 should work. So these first two numbers we're checking should work. And the last one, the number that is below 20, should not work. And what I mean by should work or should not work is that if I replace the x with 25, so I do 25 minus 12 is greater than or equal to 8, I should get a true statement. Well, 25 minus 12 is 13. Is 13 greater than or equal to 8? Yes, it is. So I created a true statement, 13 is greater than or equal to 8. Likewise, if I plug in 20, 20 should also work, meaning 20 should create a true statement. 20 minus 12 is 8. Is 8 greater than or equal to 8? Yes, 8 is equal to 8, so it is greater than or equal to 8. And then this last one shouldn't work. This should give me a false statement because 17 is not greater than or equal to 20. So if we've done everything correctly, this last one shouldn't work. 17 minus 12 is 5. Is 5 greater than or equal to 8? No, it is not. So this confirms that x is greater than or equal to 20 is the correct answer. Numbers that are bigger than 20 or that are exactly 20 give us true statements when we substitute them, and numbers that are below 20 give us false statements, meaning any number that's 20 or higher works, is a solution, and any number lower than 20 is not a solution.